Howdy folks, I'm Alan Butler with Roofing Turtle, and today we're out here to help you understand how we can help you protect your shell better. So we're out here, it's a blustery February day here in Central Texas, just outside of Elgin, and it's still up for debate whether or not Texas Pete saw a shadow, but today we're going to teach you what a Roofing Turtle roof looks like and why you might consider the F-Wave synthetic roofing shingle, why that might be the best option for your roof. So with the F-Wave synthetic roofing shingle, as you can see, the first step in our process is the demolition or the removal of the existing roof. So behind me, our guys are on lunch break right now, but they're getting that thing torn off and pulled off. We're gonna remove everything down to the exposed decking that's on the roof. What that's gonna allow us to do is inspect and ensure that everything that we're nailing the new roofing material to is in good, usable condition and nothing needs to be replaced. That way, when we put this new roof on, you're good to go for several years to come. After that process of doing the removal, we're going to make sure we get all the nails and everything pulled up, as well as that felt paper, this black tar paper that's up here right now. It all has to come off in order for the new warranty to be enacted. A lot of roofers skip that part. They go down to the felt paper and leave it on there, and they put all the new materials over top of it. And then a few years down the road, you might have a leak or an issue. And then unfortunately, you're going to find out that your warranty is void because they never removed that felt paper. So if you do have a roof getting done and we're not doing it, make sure they remove that component. The next step in the process for us is to go on and install what's called storm barrier or StormGuard. Now there's different types of underlayment that you can install or put on a roof. One is the tar paper like you're seeing in the roof behind me. That's your standard felt paper. That's pretty much what's been used in the industry for a number of years. A few years back, they came out with a synthetic product called the synthetic underlayment. It's kind of like the home wrap or the Tyvek you might see on a lot of new homes or multifamily structures being built in the area when you're driving by during the construction process. That material is good and it works really well. However, what we can do to ensure that your roof is top quality and it's not going to have any leaks is to put on the GAF storm barrier. And what that is a self-sealing membrane. When you punch a nail or anything through it, it actually seals around itself to give you that added protection. So that's the difference of what you're getting on a quality roof from Roofing Turtle versus what some of the other guys might be giving you a little bit less cost. You're opening yourself up to having more issues down the road potentially. So we want to make sure that your shell is well protected. After the storm barrier is installed, we're going to make sure that all the flashing and drip edge and everything else on the roof, all the different parts and components that are extremely important around the valleys and the chimneys and around the edges and all that are in good shape. If anything needs to be removed or replaced, we'll take care of that. And then the last step is to ensure that all of your roofing material is put on. So this particular customer chose to go with the F-Wave synthetic roofing shingle. So what this does, it offers a 50-year warranty, 130 mile-an-hour wind speed protection. It's Class A, fire rated. It'll actually get up to 1200 degrees before the structural integrity of the shingle starts to fail. And then it's got the Class 4 hail impact resistance rating. So it'll take up to a 2-inch hailstone, no problems. We've actually seen some recent storms up in the Round Rock area where they got baseball and grapefruit-sized hail. The shingles did not need to be replaced. There was a few on the ridge that needed some replacement, but overall those roofs held up extremely well, which is a great example of how these roofs are more superior than a lot of the other asphalt-based products that are on the market. So we highly suggest, if you're looking for a top-of-the-line grade roof, to go with the REVIA F-Wave synthetic shingle on your roof and get that ultimate protection. Now with that being said, there are other products on the market like asphalt, hail impact resistant shingles, and metal roofs that might be right for you. Give us a call, we can talk through the options and see which one's the best for your particular situation. And I'm Alan Butler with Roofing Turtle, and we look forward to seeing you on your next project. Have a great day.